Hey everyone, this is Seth Goldsmith, the technical support ninja of PDGO Web Solutions and PDGO.com. I am going to teach you in this tutorial how to set up your PDGO email using the Apple Mail application. I've already gotten Apple Mail open, so I'm going to go ahead and click the Mail menu button up here, and then Preferences. From here, I'm going to make sure that the Accounts tab is selected by clicking on it, and then I'm going to click the plus sign to add a new account. From here, I can click the option Add Other Mail Account, and then click the blue button Continue. On the Add a Mail Account window, we want to make sure that we type in our full email address as well as the password. Once you've entered your full email address and password, go ahead and click Create. And this account is going to require us to manually configure it, so go ahead and click the Next button. On the incoming mail server info page, notice that the account type is set to IMAP. That's probably the best solution for just about everybody out there now that we are checking our email via phones and tablets and multiple computers. Next is the mail server. That's going to be mail.pdgo.com. No matter what domain you have hosted with us, it's going to be the same mail server. Next, we're going to enter our entire email address, and then paste in the password if you haven't already entered it. Now we're ready to go ahead and click the blue Next button. All right, next we're going to enter our outgoing mail server info. Starting with the SMTP server, it's smtp.pdgo.com. Again, we're going to enter our full email address here. And our password. And once we have entered this SMTP server, the username as our full email address, and again entered our password, go ahead and click the blue Create button. Now, it looks like we're finished when you end up on this page, but there's just a few extra settings that need to be checked, as Apple Mail does not allow you to set these settings up during the setup process. So go ahead and make sure that the account that you created is selected here in blue, and then click the Advanced tab. There's a few settings we need to change here. First, the port needs to be set to 993 for IMAP incoming, and then just verify that the Use SSL is enabled. Once you've confirmed that you have the right port number entered and Use SSL is checked, we're going to go ahead and click on the Account Information tab, and we need to set some different settings for the outgoing mail server. So go ahead and click this drop-down menu here, and then Edit SMTP Server List. This will give you a list of all your outgoing servers. Make sure that you select the one that you just added. Now click the Advanced tab. Now in this window, you may have some different settings depending on how old your version of Apple Mail is. But I don't like them to automatically detect the settings, so we're going to uncheck this. And then we want the port, the outbound port, to be 465. And again, we want to make sure we use SSL. And then under authentication, we're going to select password. From here, we need to enter our full email address and password again. Once you've completed this page, go ahead and click the blue OK button. Finally, click the red X to exit out of the account preferences. You'll be prompted to save the changes. Click the blue Save button. If everything went as planned, you should be getting email in your inbox now, and you're now ready to get back to work. If you had any trouble setting up this account, please don't hesitate to either email us from another account at support@pdgo.com or give us a phone call at 888-354-4946. Thank you so much for using PDGO Web Solutions. Have an awesome day.